In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to turn on animations. Animations in Squarespace add subtle motion as elements enter the page while you scroll. They help guide attention and make your site feel more polished without heavy custom code. If you're using Squarespace 7.1, there's a built-in setting to enable site-wide entry effects, and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by signing into your site and opening your admin. From there, go to Design, then select Site Styles. This is where you control your site's overall look and behavior. Inside the Site Styles panel, look for the Animations section. Depending on your template, it may appear directly as Animations or be nested under Miscellaneous, then Animations. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the panel or use the search within Site Styles to locate it. Once you've opened Animations, choose the animation style that fits your brand and content. Options typically include fade, slide, scale, clip, and flex. Fade provides a gentle, universal look that works for most layouts. Slide adds directional movement, which can feel more dynamic on image-heavy sections. Scale creates a slight zoom-in effect, which is great for hero images or featured blocks. Clip reveals content from a masked edge and can look modern and clean. Flex is more pronounced and can add personality when used sparingly. Pick one style to keep the experience consistent across your site. Next, select the animation speed. You can choose slow, medium, or fast. Slow is subtle and tends to feel more elegant. Medium is a balanced default for most sites. Fast creates a snappier, more energetic feel. If your pages are content dense or visited frequently on mobile, a medium or fast speed can keep things feeling responsive. When you're happy with the style and speed, click Save. To apply your changes, preview a few pages and scroll through them to make sure the motion enhances your content rather than distracts from it. If you don't see an animations option in site styles, there are a few common reasons. You might be on Squarespace 7.0, where not all templates support site-wide animations. Some templates simply don't include the miscellaneous animations section. Your editor interface may differ if you're using an older version or haven't updated. It's also possible the animations control is grouped under a different section in your template's site styles. In those cases, confirm which version and template you're using, check the miscellaneous area closely, and review your template's documentation to see how animations are handled. That's it. Turn on the style you like, set a speed that matches your brand, save, and you're done. Thanks for watching and happy building.